We are at episode 84 out of 122, Smart Money to Blockchain Freedom. Welcome, welcome. Today's date is the 9th of December, 2025. And let's have a look at coin market cap. The market has recovered quite nicely in the crypto market. See, Bitcoin is back over 93,000 per coin. Ethereum is strong, a lot of green coming out here. So looking very good. Let's go have a look at APTM. This is the coin I am promoting. And we're looking at a nice little climb here the last, say, 2 days. So sitting at 49 cents. Very happy. It's got a rating of 587 out of 9,011 active cryptocurrencies. We got a good profile score of 83% and also a good community score of 81%. Really a good project to have a look at. We are a tier 1 subnet of the Avalanche blockchain. You can always just scroll down a little bit here and you can have all the details here. What is APTM? Here you can see we are leading general layer 1 blockchain in the Avalanche ecosystem, built to deliver high performance, scalability, and long-term sustainability. Super exciting. We only launched in February this year, so we're a 10 months old project, and we are also super fast. As you can see here, supports ultra fast transactions, over 4,500 transactions per second, outperforming Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and Tron. And also, we've got a active community of over 50,000 because we've got our own DApp that sits on the APTM blockchain. And it's also very good for developers, for people who want to develop on a fast blockchain, cheap blockchain, because we're faster than Ethereum. We're cheap, one of the cheapest blockchains out there. Also, you can see how we've got a max supply of 2.1 billion tokens. We've got a burning model in place as well. And also we've got the same halving model as Bitcoin has. So big potential. Yes, put it in your high risk portfolio. But my recommendation is dollar cost average into this coin. Dollar cost average means buy a little bit each month. But I'm also going to show you a few tips that on our DAO1, you can dollar cost average on automatic. So let's go and have a look at the actual DAO1. This, you can create an account for free. Just have a look in the description. There's also a hot video you can watch, which is called 5 minutes. It's a 5-minute video to wealth. I recommend you watch that as well. So let's have a look at the products. So you actually got 10 products in total, starting at $200, and they do go all the way up to so $200, and then it goes all the way up to $70,000. So pick a product that's good for you, that is good for your budget. So if we just have a look at the $1,000 product for now, and I'm going to click view details. So this product will cost you $1,000, and you get 2 products in one, right? You're getting a smart trader where it buys low and sells high on automatic with AI technology. So all it's doing is looking at the chart. You don't have to do it. And it looks, if it's going low, it buys. When it goes higher, it sells and generates more and more of these APTM coins for you, dollar cost average on automatic. Because where's this price of this coin going to be in 3 years, 5 years from now? So my recommendation is get as many of these coins as possible through our DApp, through our DAO1 products. So that's the trader, that's automatic. And then you can also stake your coins. Staking is a terminology where you put it in a wallet and you hold it, and you're earning BitX coins as a reward. And the rewards are super attractive, as you can see here. If you look at 4 years, so basically if you hold your APTM coins in a wallet for 4 years, you're going to get rewarded, as you can see there. If it's 3 years, you can see the amount. 2 years, you can see the amount, and then 1 year. And remember, these are 2 products you get, right? So super exciting. Also, what I wanted to tap on is a hot keyword. I created it on here and I just want to read it. So DeFi, for new people, it's basically called decentralized finance, right? Which is very, very different to traditional banking system. So let's have a read here together because it's very, very powerful. So DeFi is like running your own lemonade stand on the street corner. While traditional banks are like a big chain franchise with a manager calling the shots, right? And we can actually have a look at the different aspects here. So traditional banking, it's ID checks, credit score, open only when the banks are open, and you have to approve, get approved, and all this rubbish, right? In DeFi, it's active 24/7 worldwide via an app on your phone, on your laptop. No gatekeepers, accessed instantly. How cool is that? Then you got control. Banks hold the money, decides loans, fees, can freeze your account. With DeFi, you hold the keys in your wallet. A smart contract is just another word for code, like programming, that it just runs programs. So there's no intermediaries, there's no third parties, and no one else can touch your funds because you actually got your own wallet attached. Then you come to speed and cost. Wires, like in the traditional banking, especially if you're sending money abroad, there's loads of fees. Regarding with DeFi, you can do it in seconds and it costs pennies, right? Unbelievable. Yields, I mean, what interest rate does your bank give you? Between 0 and maybe 2% per annum. With DeFi, the possible rewards can be up to 5%, up to 20% on stable coins. So that is cool already. How would you like to earn 20% on your rewards, right? Transparency. It's in a banking system. You don't know what they do right behind doors. But in DeFi, it's public blockchain, which means every transaction is viable and everybody can see it, right? So DeFi is very, very powerful. And that's why I really, really like these products, because you are tapping into an automatic trader that trades for you on your behalf, accumulating the Pertum coin. Yeah, you're getting rewards by holding the Pertum coin in a wallet. Unbelievable. And look at the description below. Create yourself a DAO1 account, reach out to me, and I'll help you get started. Thank you, and bye-bye.